Make a great choice today with the 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, wheel locks, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.